Is your service business feeling less like a well-oiled machine and more like a chaotic jumble of sticky notes, missed appointments, and invoice woes? If you're nodding your head, even just a little, then you're exactly where countless other hardworking entrepreneurs find themselves. You're brilliant at your trade, whether you're landscaping, plumbing, cleaning, or repairing, but the administrative side of things often feels like a second, far less enjoyable full-time job. You're juggling calls, trying to schedule effectively, chasing down payments, and perhaps even losing track of your own team members in the field. It's frustrating, it's inefficient, and frankly, it's probably costing you money and peace of mind. Imagine a world where your schedule is perfectly organized, your invoices are sent and paid on time, your customers are happy, and your team knows exactly where they need to be and what they need to do. A world where you have a crystal-clear overview of your business's health, from incoming leads to completed jobs to outstanding balances. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, what if I told you that this dream is not only achievable but is being lived by thousands of service businesses every single day? And the key to unlocking that reality for many of them is a powerful, intuitive platform called Jobber. Today, we're diving deep into the why behind choosing Jobber. We're going to explore how this comprehensive field service management software transforms the daily operations of businesses just like yours, moving you from chaos to control, from frustration to flourishing. We'll uncover the core functionalities that make Jobber stand out, demonstrating how it's not just another piece of software, but a genuine partner in your business growth. Let's start with the immediate and tangible impact Jobber has on your scheduling and dispatching. How many times have you double-booked an appointment or sent a technician to the wrong address? Or spent hours trying to optimize routes, only to realize you could have fit in another job? Jobber's intuitive drag-and-drop calendar allows you to schedule jobs with incredible ease. You can see your entire team's availability at a glance, assign tasks, and even set recurring appointments in seconds. But it goes beyond simple scheduling. Jobber's intelligent routing features help you optimize your team's travel, minimizing drive time and fuel costs while maximizing the number of jobs they can complete in a day. Real-time GPS tracking means you always know where your team is, allowing for efficient dispatching and keeping customers informed about their arrival times. This isn't just about convenience. It's about significant time and cost savings that directly impact your bottom line. Next up is the often dreaded world of quoting and invoicing. Let's be honest. Creating professional-looking quotes and invoices manually can be a huge drain on your time. And chasing down payments? Even worse. Jobber streamlines this entire process from start to finish. You can create detailed, customized quotes with line items, descriptions, and even optional add-ons, all from your phone or tablet while on site. Once a quote is approved, it seamlessly converts into a job, and then into an invoice with just a few clicks. Jobber supports various payment options, including online payments, making it easier for your customers to pay you promptly. Automated payment reminders are a godsend, gently nudging clients about outstanding balances without you having to lift a finger. This not only reduces your administrative burden but significantly improves your cash flow, ensuring you get paid faster and more consistently. Then there's the critical aspect of customer management. In today's competitive landscape, excellent customer service isn't a luxury. It's a necessity. Jobber acts as your central hub for all client information. You can store contact details, service history, preferred services, and even specific notes about each client. This means when a customer calls, you have all the context you need at your fingertips, allowing you to provide personalized and efficient service. Automated reminders for upcoming appointments and follow-ups after job completion help you maintain strong customer relationships and encourage repeat business. Happy customers are loyal customers, and loyal customers are the bedrock of a thriving service business. Jobber empowers you to deliver that exceptional experience every single time. Let's not forget about team management and communication. If you have a growing team, keeping everyone on the same page can be a challenge. Jobber offers a dedicated mobile app for your field crew, allowing them to access their schedules, job details, customer information, and even clock in and out from their mobile devices. They can add job notes, take photos, and mark tasks as complete, all in real time. This eliminates the need for constant phone calls and messy paperwork, fostering better communication and accountability within your team. You can easily track their progress, ensuring jobs are completed on time and to your standards. It's about empowering your team to do their best work, efficiently and effectively. And finally, for the business owner, Jobber provides invaluable business insights and reporting. It's one thing to be busy. It's another to be busy and profitable. Jobber's robust reporting features give you a clear, data-driven picture of your business performance. You can track revenue, expenses, profitability by service, team performance, and much more. This data is crucial for making informed decisions about your pricing, staffing, and marketing strategies. It helps you identify areas of strength and areas that need improvement, allowing you to proactively steer your business towards greater success. No more guessing, just clear, actionable insights at your fingertips. So why choose Jobber? It's not just about automating tasks. It's about transforming your entire business operation. It's about saving time, reducing stress, improving efficiency, enhancing customer satisfaction, and ultimately, increasing your profitability. It consolidates all the disparate tools and processes you might currently be using into one seamless, user-friendly platform. It scales with your business, whether you're a solopreneur just starting out or a growing enterprise with multiple teams. It frees you up from the administrative burden so you can focus on what you do best, delivering exceptional service to your clients. The countless success stories from businesses that have adopted Jobber speak for themselves. Owners report regaining hours in their day, experiencing significant increases in revenue, and enjoying a much healthier work-life balance. Imagine the impact that kind of transformation could have on your business and your life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.